good guys? I'm back with another vlog. Today we're gonna be working on Shawn's car, getting his rust fixed. I'm at Mike's shop. We got this parts car here, this E36 228 vert. So basically we're just gonna be cutting all of this off and welding it to Shawn's car because he has rust in that area. As you can see, he has this. So we're gonna get this patched up for him. And then also this side as well. What's the plan, Mike?
Cut all this back until we hit solid metal, and then make some patches for the thing. So, it don't feel too bad. Solid where it counts.
Shawn got some peepholes.
Alright, cut there. Cut back a bit. Make sure it has fresh metal. Got the pieces from the other car. So we split that nice. This piece will just make me scratch. Someone tried Jack. Did he lose a wheel?
I have no clue.
No, my got damaged at one point. He lost a wheel and it buckled. Somebody might actually try to tow it from there, because there's one hole. If they tried to hook it down.
It used to be a track car, the previous owner said.
Oh, he might have lost the ball joint on track. That's common. It just tucks the wheel into that. Alright. I have more rust. There's a little more rust somewhere.
So I missed one day, and Mike already has one of the one of the arches is already welded up.
It's knocked up.
Looks good though. Mike pretty much made the fender arch when I wasn't around, but basically he got it tacked up. He's about to weld everything up and then spray it so it doesn't get rusty, or coated, I guess you could say. After Mike finished welding up this one area and coating it, we took the fender off and noticed that there was like more rust where like the fender bolts up at, so we ended up cutting out that one area and then adding new metal to it, welding it up, and then coating that area as well, and then putting the fender back on. So now that we're finished with the front side of the car, we can now head towards the back. We started cutting out the one area in the rear side skirt area on the passenger side. We cut that out, and then we noticed that it was like the rust was just so far gone that what we thought was rust wasn't even rust. It was undercoating. That was like what was left in that area. Mike is now taking measurements of the metal because he's gonna cut out this area and then make his own shape and form and then weld it up. So Mike finished up this spot. It looks like OEM. It's like nothing ever happened. Look at this thing, man. Looking good. My sidecar clips come in on Monday. I think in the next vlog I'm going to be putting on the side skirts and fixing my headliner. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, my car looking clean over there. I need a wing, guys. I think I'm gonna get an LTW wing and just call it. So yeah, I'm gonna get a LTW wing, a front lip, fog light deletes, and a front grill because I don't have a front grill. So what's the plan for this side? Just gonna cut the whole thing out?
Cut it back to where it's solid.
Yeah.
Go from there.
You would think that this would lead to the floor, but it's actually like another section back here.
Yeah. This is just a skin. The real rocker is what you see back here.
Yeah. Mike finished up this side. There's no more peephole over here, and then he patched at the bottom too. You can't even tell that like anything even happened. Like this just looked like it got sprayed, honestly. And then he's about to fix this side too, and then after that he's gonna shave down the rust over here and just coat it, because it's really not that bad compared to how bad the other side was. And then he's gonna shave this down because I think this is rubbing on Shawn's wheel. That's from when Shawn welded it up. Got the other spot welded up now. Bro, it really looks like there was never anything, like there was never any rust here, like nothing even got welded up. It literally just looked like he just sprayed it. And then he's grinding on this area right now. And then I think he's gonna spray it up after he's done grinding it out. But yeah, it's like no rust was ever even here. This side of the car is officially rust free. Got no more spots. There was a spot right here that we ended up just shaving out and filling up. So no more rust. We still got to do the inside of the car, the floor pans, but they're not as bad compared to how bad my car is. So maybe in the next vlog we'll be doing that. Alright, so this is pretty much it for this vlog. In the next one, we'll be doing the floor pans and some other stuff. I'll give you a little sneak peek of what's going on with the floor pans right now. So as you can see, the floor pan is cooked. We're about to cut this whole thing out and redo the whole thing. So yeah, with that being said, I hope you like the vlog. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Peace.